Locating a missing app store on your iPhone 16 is essential for downloading new apps and updating existing ones, ensuring you have full access to iOS functionality. Here's how to find and restore the App Store on the new iOS smartphone. The first thing you need to do is check the screen time restrictions. Just go to the home screen and then launch the Settings app. From the Settings menu, scroll to find Screen Time and then tap on it. From the Screen Time menu, scroll down to the Restrictions section and then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Locate iTunes and App Store purchases from the list of options and then tap on it to proceed. Finally, under the Store Purchases and Re-Download section, set the Installing Apps option to Allow. Once restrictions are removed, the App Store app icon should reappear within moments. If you still couldn't see the App Store icon even after removing restrictions, try going through your iPhone folders or other home screens, then search for the app. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more smartphone videos like this one.